G'day guys, welcome back to Muzzy's World NT. Today's show we're going to see if we can put a 125cc engine into one of these 50cc frames. Will it fit? If it does, we'll do a top speed run and we'll share the results. Yep. Balloon. Air filter. Carby. Now we got 4-speed. This was fully automatic. Alrighty, motor's out. Now to fit up the other motor. The old 125 semi-auto. 4-speed. Flared these out a little bit, which is wide enough now to go in there, but I'm going to have to trim these bits because they're fouling on the motor. And this piece here, I'm going to have to cut that off, flip it around, because it needs to be around about here, and it should be spot on, but we'll see how we go. Alrighty, day 2, today's progress. Had to cut these out. Invert them, flip them around, and re-weld them. They're the same with the bottom. Cut the foot pegs, remount them, relocate them, sorry. Still have a little bit of clearance here. Just worry when we hit big bumps it's going to hit the front of the motor, so we're going to upgrade the front suspension so it's a bit more stiffer. Had to relocate the mountain bracket here. It used to be underneath here. Also had to lengthen the chain. It's a bit loose now, but we're going to tension that up. Had to put 5 links in. Use the existing plugs. These ones I just spliced into these plugs to make it a bit easier. So everything else is off the 50. We'll see if it runs with that, the battery and whatnot. We'll just put the tank on, the fairings. Also, because the exhaust is a lot bigger on this, I'm gonna have to cut that one there off and put this one here on there and weld it up. Alright, we got the bikes out in the bush. We're going to go take them out now, give them a little test run, see how they go. My mate's brought his little CF50 just as a little comparison and see how they both go.
Weather balloon. I actually wasn't expecting to actually do this whole bit, eh? It's just, as we started, I was like, oh, okay, we'll keep going. There is a turn off somewhere, but I think we'd have to go through there.
Yeah, that's easy.
Yeah, because if you go down, you have to climb back up, and it's very rocky and steep.
Surprised Alrighty, we'll try for a top speed run first and see how she goes. Phew. Alright, I just got this little GPS. I'm just going to throw this in my pocket and see how she goes. Let's check it when we get back. Since last time, we've changed the rear sprocket to a Honda Grom sprocket, the stock standard one, and the same as the front, and we'll see what new top speed we get now. Ew. After changing to the Grom rear sprocket and front rear sprocket, we now have a total of 57 kilometers an hour, which is pretty good for what it is at the moment.
Push and never stop. I've been stressed out, watching both these hands around the clock. With my eyes wide, trying to get the panorama shot. Whole world getting blurry to me, answers getting lost. So I watch my back and keep it moving to the front. And remember that the world's yours, do it how you want. You've been waiting here for too long, think it's time for you to move on. Realize that there's realizing these.
Alrighty, so is it worth putting the 125cc into a 50cc pit spot frame? Absolutely. This thing absolutely rips now. Can't wait to learn how to do wheelies on this thing and then slowly get maybe a Thumbster 110. Thanks for watching the video and we'll see you in the next one.